Hello, Miss Ward. This is our our cell city thing. Uh, it's not a lot, cause well, I don't really know why, but we just did a math project, just finished a big math project with Minecraft, and so that's why we kind of just didn't want to do a lot for this. But I mean, it's the best that we could do for what amount of time we have. So yeah, this is what our cell city is. So first we chose our cell membrane to be our cell door because it kind of lets uh I guess you say it's like the security guard of the cell. It like lets things go in and out of the cell, and it's like protects it. And our cell wall is kind of like our big fence that goes all the way around the city. And this is, of course, it like it's the well, I guess it's the cell wall of the city. And it protects the plant. It's not animal cells, but it protects the plant cells. It's kind of it's like a really big shield that goes around the city to protect the city from any unwanted visitors. So moving on, these are our little vacuoles, our little storage containers. These of course like hold food and stuff, which is it's pretty vital for a plant or like animal cell to function. So yeah, that's our vacuoles. So it holds food and water. Sorry, don't know if I mentioned that. And this is our nucleus, which is our mayor's office, which means it's like runs the city and it controls what goes around in the city. Pretty sure Christian built this. You know, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. And yeah, that's our nucleus. Next is our solar panels. These are our, um, what are they again? Chloroplasts, sorry. Kind of have to think about that. Chloroplasts, they take or they use the energy. They collect the energy and that's kind of the point of the chloroplasts. They keep the energy for long-lasting usage. And well, for the solar panels, they collect the light from the sun, which is all the way up there, and they keep it for long-lasting energy, which it could be used for the storage containers or vacuoles, as I should say. And moving on, we have our. Let me just look at the document here. Let's see, where is this thing? Our mitochondria. So this is our big mitochondria. It's our kind of like power plant, power station. And this is kind of like the powerhouse of the city. It kind of like controls the city. Um, as you can see, it's kind of been abandoned by a little bit, but I mean, still looks pretty good. But yeah, this pretty much controls like where the power goes in the city, how the city kind of runs off of power, and yes, it also doesn't really let the city turn off. If it turns off, well, then the whole city shuts down and goes into panic mode. So yeah, Miss Ward, that was our Cell City project, and I hope you enjoyed that. See ya.